Hello friends, this is our next numerical number 13 from the exercise. The time for 50% completion of a zero order of reaction is 30 minutes. Calculate the time for 80% completion of reaction. So friend, this numerical is based on zero order reaction is directly given in the problem. And we just find out which equation we will be used to solve this numerical. Let's start. What is the given? Given is 50% completion of the reaction. It directly indicates that the time is half-life period. Is how much time? Yeah, 30 minutes. Means what? T1 half is given here 30 minutes. Then we want to find out the time when the 80% reaction is completed. Okay, then 80% reaction is completed means what? The initial concentration for this reaction is 100 and the concentration at that time that is X is what? 80 and A minus X is equal to 20. So friend, before going to solve this problem and find out the time for 80% completion of the reaction, we should know which formula we will be used for this. First of all, you should understand the T1 half is given here. Okay, so write down the formula for T1 half for the zero order reaction. I'm just write here T1 half for zero order reaction is nothing but A upon K0 and this K0 is multiplied with 2 and this thing we had already studied in our previous video. Okay, then what is the equation? T1 half is equal to A upon 2K0. Friends, by using this equation, I am able to find out rate constant for the zero order reaction. Initial concentration, obviously it is 100. Then T1 half is 30 minutes and multiplied by 2, we will be get 100 by 60. It will be get cancel and you know the answer for this, actually this 6 1s are 6. Then how many is remains 40 here, no? Yeah. Sorry, 1.666. This is the answer. Of course, in per minute. Per minute, this is the answer for rate constant of zero order reaction. Now, which equation we will be used for find out the time regarding to the rate constant? The equation for zero order reaction is K0 is equal to initial concentration. In some books, the equation is written like this, A0 minus A upon T. This is the equation. And friends, we want to find out the value of T, then I just rearrange this equation. T is equal to initial concentration minus concentration by K0. Because K0 value we have already finding out by using the T1 half. As the step of this, you should remember this value 1.666. Okay. Then T is equal to, what is the initial concentration? Of course, that is the 100. And what is the concentration at that time? Yes, it is the remaining concentration. And this is the 80. Therefore, A is 80 here. As a substitute 80 and K0 value 1.666, whatever we have calculated. And then 20 upon 1.666, and after calculating this one, we will be get that 12.0048 minute. For 80% completion of the reaction.